How to get one wholesaling real estate deal every single week in 2026. See, this system is going to get you one wholesaling deal every single week faster than a real estate wholesaling coach can go and try to steal your credit card info for their $10,000 wholesaling course. Now, the cool thing is you do not have to pay me a bunch of money to learn this system. And so what we're doing today is I'm going to show you how to get one wholesaling deal a week. Now, how I'm going to do this with the exact system that I do to do a lot of deals every single week. Now, this is something I haven't really talked too much about, but it's basically my circle method. So you draw a circle and you can produce a lot of really good wholesaling deals. Now, I'd be like, Zach, where do you do? Are you going in circles here? Technically, I am, but this is a system that I teach people and it produces insane results. Now, it's very unorthodox. No one in wholesaling anywhere on YouTube has any info about this method, but it works. So I'm gonna show people how you can do it starting out as a beginner and how you can do it at a high consistent volume. Let's teach you exactly what the circle method is and how we can do it to do one wholesaling real estate deal every single week. Now, let's just do a simple tutorial on how the circle method can get you one wholesaling deal every single month. Then we'll talk about how to do it every single week. So simply what the circle method is we're gonna go out here first and foremost, we're gonna pull a good motivated seller list. So some lists we wanna pull maybe are code violations, probates, fire damage properties, pre-foreclosures, some driving for dollars, tax delinquencies, liens, you kind of get the point, right? Like you get some good niched lists, right? So you want to go out here and find niche lists. And pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to pull all this data and you're going to attack these leads in a circle. So what I mean by this is this whole list, let's say this list is overall like 500. That's what we're going to be doing for the month. So what we're going to do is first and foremost, number one, we are going to call all of these leads, right? We're going to call the 500 leads. Then from there, roughly what I found is roughly about 80% of the people you call don't pick up the phone. So statistically, if I go out here and call 500 sellers, probably only 100 of them are actually going to pick up the phone and say, yes, I'm interested, or no, I'm not interested. That means we have roughly 400 sellers right here that no one talked to, right? So you skip trace the 500 sellers on X leads or something like that. You go out here and call the 500, only 100 are going to pick up. That's a 20% response rate, which is really good for cold calling. That means we have 400 sellers that nobody talked to this person. What do you do? Just, oh, whatever, I'm just gonna call another list. No. These are still interested, motivated sellers. A lot of people don't like picking up the dang phone. What we're gonna do here is we are then going to text this list of 400. From that, about 20% of them are gonna answer that. So if we have 80% of that, that's roughly gonna be 320 that are left. And what we're gonna do is we are actually going to email blast this list. So I teach you how to email blast inside of my free real estate wholesaling course and community called freewholesaling.com. I'm gonna write it right here. I have a whole system called my EOG system where I give you a whole software on how to email blast it. It's really cool. But the whole point here is we're gonna text these people that didn't answer the call, and now we got about 80 people there. So we're taking deals from that. Now we're gonna email, maybe 10% of those people are gonna reach out, which leaves us to the last method here, which is really crazy, but that's just going out here and dropping a sticky note on the house. Now, the reason why you wanna wait last for the sticky notes is because that is gonna be the most amount of work. And then obviously the next month you go and do it for a new list, but you're basically doing this in like a perfect circle. See, the thing about putting a sticky note on someone's door, if they didn't answer their phone or they didn't answer the text or the email, is nobody's reaching out to these sellers. Like there's no wholesaler that are reaching out to this type of list, because if you're a motivated seller on a high equity list, you're getting called, text, emailed everywhere. And if you haven't even had a conversation with any wholesaler because you don't answer the dang phone or the texts, if you get a hold of this person, then you have a really good chance of getting a wholesaling deal from them. And the cool part is everyone that answers a sticky note, if there's a sticky note on your door that says, hey, this is Zach, I got a quick question, call me. It's like, I need to call this person. Then they call you. Oh, you left a sticky note at my house. Yes, I did. I left a note there because I was thinking about buying that property. I'm looking to buy properties in the area. It seemed like a house I want to buy. Are you interested in selling it? Now you're in front of somebody on the phone that no other wholesaler got on a call or a text. Boom, this is amazing. So this is generally what the circle method is, right? You kind of do a bunch of marketing in a circle for a list. You do the easiest to most difficult tasks, and you hit the seller on multiple angles. Now you don't text the same list that you called to the people that answered, right? That's kind of dumb, right? So you pull this to 500, you call the 500, you text the 500. That's a waste of marketing, right? You saved 80 texts by just doing this? And so this is how roughly you get one deal per month, especially on niche data. Now you might be like, Zach, so is that what you do? I actually don't do that because obviously I'm trying to do more than one deal a week and I'm doing a lot more than one deal a month. I do this in what we call a marketing rotation, right? This is something that I don't really reveal too much publicly. And I feel like I want to unveil the curtains about this because I think it really opens people's eyes on how you run a high level or a massive real estate wholesaling operations, especially virtually and locally. So I'll do this in multiple markets and in my local market. But when it comes to high volume marketing, right, this is where things get crazy. And so I primarily get real estate wholesaling deals from three specific marketing channels: cold calling, texting, and direct mail. And basically what I do in my business is, let's use my local wholesaling real estate business in Florida, for example, but this generally worked for my virtual wholesaling in Texas or my virtual wholesaling in Louisiana or Tennessee or Ohio, right? This can be like my Dayton, Ohio, like virtual wholesaling system, but each market does it a little differently, and I'm gonna show you exactly why. And so primarily how the circle method works is we have SMS, cold calling, and direct mail. How it specifically works is, we're gonna write this right here. We are going to choose three specific markets inside of a metro. Now you might be like, Zach, how do you find the specific markets? For most virtual wholesaling and in person, I do it by area code. So for example, in my own local wholesaling market, my market will go from Martin County all the way up to Brevard County. That is my quote local market. And that pretty much means that I have my marketing done in three different area codes. We do it in the 772 area code, which is going to be Martin County, St. Lucie County, and Indian River County. So these are three counties that have what I call the 772 area code. I will have a 561 area code for Palm Beach County. So anything in the Palm Beach area, Jupiter, West Palm Beach, Green Acres, right? Even Boca Raton if I do that right. So 772 area code is specifically market 1. Market 2 would be the 561. Then market 3 is going to be the 321 area code, which is basically going to be Brevard County, Florida. So Palm Beach technically in the south. In the middle is going to be Martin, St. Lucie, Indian River County, and then Brevard County in the north. So pretty much I have three specific markets. Now this is technically all kind of one metro, more or less. But if there's different area codes, that's where I split it up. Because if I'm going to cold call a high equity list, I don't want my callers to be using different area codes. I want them to be doing the specific area code to get the highest response rates. And I have personally found it's not best to go blast all of Brevard County once a month with a massive direct mail blast. It's good to pepper it around, right? So in my local market, right, you're gonna be pulling 50, 60, 70,000 records in a county, some areas more or less. So for example here, on SMS, what I'm gonna be doing is for market number 1. So for market 1, which we will use the 772 area code. So in January of 2026, this is just an example, but in January 2026, we are going to SMS text blast the high equity list in market 1. Then in market 2, in February 2026, we are gonna be hitting market 2, which would be the 561 area. And then obviously in market 3, March 2026. And then we auto rotate it. So then April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, right? So it's kind of all done perfectly, right, in threes. All great things come in threes. The whole point is, okay, for my cold calling, pretty obvious, but done like this: market 2, market 3, then market 1, and then here, for direct mail, market 2. So pretty much what this means is obviously in January, we're gonna cold call market 2. In January, we're gonna do direct mail on market 3. And then obviously you got February and then March. February, and then March. So pretty much that's going to be the marketing schedule for the one specific market, right? So obviously in January, we are going to text blast market 1, which would be 772. So that's number 1. Then 2 would be this. So we're going to SMS text blast the 772 list, which is all the high equities. Then in January, we're going to cold call the 561 area, and then direct mail. We're going to send a bunch of direct mail on the 321 area. And we're going to auto rotate them around. So if you look at a circle for January 2026, we know that for market 1, we are going to hit them with an SMS. And then on market 2, they get hit with cold calling. And then for market 3, they get hit with the direct mail. And this is by far the easiest, most effective system for getting one deal a month in any real estate wholesaling market. The specific reason, again, is if you go out here and send direct mail in the 772 area once a month for every high equity, if you send it to like 60,000 direct mail pieces, basis once a month, it is not the best effective use in your marketing. Now, in my own wholesaling business, we have the funds where we basically do that. But for most people, if you're doing high volume, that is just a terrible ROI. It's better just to cold call one massive area for the month, then cold call another massive area and then another massive area. If they're all in your specific market, right? I would chunk in any of your real estate wholesaling markets into 3 areas. I mean, if you look at Dallas, Houston, Atlanta, you can do this really easily. But the whole point is if you want to get a deal a week in January to any said market, you split up a metro into 3 areas. You SMS blast them area 1, cold call area 2, and direct mail area 3. And then obviously in February, you turn it over and you play that game with the circles. The crazy thing is nobody really talks about this method in wholesaling. And this is what me and Rick have been doing for a very long time. And this has worked in pretty much any new virtual wholesaling market we do. Now, there's plenty of these big franchises in real estate investing and wholesaling where they just say, hey, we're just going to send postcards to one specific market or all the big market or just this whole entire city once a month. And that's great, but you kind of want to switch it up, right? You're going to find is you're probably going to get 1 to 2 deals per week from each one. It always averages out about 4 deals a month doing a system like this, which again is a pretty big wholesaling real estate operation, right? But most people don't have the bandwidth to go out here and just hit direct mail on all these massive markets, right? That's going to be almost 6 figures a month in just marketing, which again, most people watching this cannot do. So direct mail is one of my favorites, but again, it does cost a lot of money to be doing. So you kind of want to auto rotate it in a way where you're going to get the best return on your investments, and you don't kind of just text blast the same list every single month. It just does not work as efficiently, and you want to get the best return on your investment and the return on time here. This has been a system I've been using for over 8 years now, and I'm telling you it works really good. So if you're just a beginner, start with this method right here on very niched out data. If you're somebody who's actually trying to do 1 deal every single week, like high crazy volume, this is the exact system we're going to be using. So guys, if you're excited to start implementing the system, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.